Alright, so this video is going to be about showing a solution for Oksana, which is from the 2016 District 1 test, number 3. Now in this particular problem there is no input, and you just want an 8x8 grid of dots to appear. Now at first glance this seems like it'd be just, type in exactly what you see, but it can be a bit easier than that, a bit faster than that if we just use some loops. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. And this one you'll notice that I don't have my imports here because I'm not actually reading in from a file, so I don't need to import util or IO. So I'm still going to go and import static java.lang.system. That way I just do out.print, but there we go. And then we'll have our public class, Oksana, public static void main, an array of strings called args. And then we don't need throws IO exception because, again, we're not reading anything in. Okay, so we want, again, if I look back at the problem, we want 8 rows of stars separated with spaces. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and say 4 and I equals 0, I less than 8, I plus plus. And then I'm going to say 4 and j equals 0, j less than 8, j plus plus. And so now basically the idea is I want to print out, every time I hit j, I want to print out a star. So I'm just going to say out.print star followed by a space. And then, so this should print out, so if we kind of think through this, it's going to print out 8 stars on the same line. And then I want to go to the next line. So outside of this for loop, I'm going to say out.println. That's going to make it go to the next line. It's then going to print 8 stars on the next line, and so on. It's going to repeat that a total of 8 times. I'll go ahead and save, run my code. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think, there we go. There's the 8th one. All right, and so is our problem. Now again, that's much faster than actually typing in 64 stars, I think. Arguably copying and pasting print line with 8 stars, I don't know, it's up in the air. But I think learning how to use a nested for loop like this is valuable anyway. So there you go. Thank you.